What's up, guys? WC Rides out on another ride today, and it is, well, yeah, it's Turkey Day. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. My wife and I are not doing anything big today specifically, so just kind of taking a nice, getting out of the house sort of day. And again, it's been almost a month since I rode last, so it seems like I'm getting about one ride a month in right now with the chilly temps. Last I checked, it was about 10 minutes ago, it was 47 out. So a little chilly today, but I'm layered pretty good. So the plan for today is I am going to be going up. You guys will see me on the short a lot. 215, one of my favorite roads to ride. One of my main access points to a lot of other beautiful areas over the mountain. Haven't been through here since Helene. That looks like that was short up. Yeah, I'm not going to try to dwell too much on police stuff today. I've done that a lot lately, and going to try not to do that too much. There will be things I notice, but I'll try not to just constantly talk about it. But yeah, I'm going to be going up 215. I may hop up on the parkway for a few. I may go over and explore Charlie's Creek a little bit. Got a shorter ride planned for today. Want to get back and get some food in the oven with the wifey. We are going to have our own little Thanksgiving dinner tonight by ourselves, and then we'll be having friends and family over tomorrow, and we're going to be doing a bigger thing like mixing up Thanksgiving and Christmas like mid-December. It's going to be great. It's pretty. Okay, see the clouds are low up there. We'll be going up at least that high, I think. It'll be down that way though. Nice to see there. Getting some of these areas near the river cleaned up. Like 2 months now. Like I said, it's gonna take years. So pretty through here. I love this tunnel. I think today's ride is just going to be up to the parkway and back. But it won't be out too late. Chilly, so I'm not really trying to push my tires too much. Cold tires are slick tires. There's little patches of wet here and there and leaves and stuff, so not going too crazy. Just enjoying the ride today. Yeah, we're almost up to the parkway here. I was hoping we'd get up in the clouds, but it looks like it's cleared up enough here to where maybe that's not going to be the case. But yeah, it was worth a shot. It's nice getting out today. little chilly, but I'm enjoying the ride. So I wonder if it's still closed up here to the left. Likely will be. No, it's closed. Okay. That's to be expected. It's closed that way too. Okay. Well, shit. It was worth a shot. So, even though I can't go up there, I'm going to pop over to Charlie's Creek area, just down the road here. Chilly up here. All right, coming up on Charlie's Creek here. Never know what's up at the top of this road, so I'll take it easy. Yeah, I'm just gonna basically kind of go down here, find a place to turn around and come back. Told wifey I wouldn't be out too long today. Oh yeah, that's still a little washed out for sure. Oh yeah, this view's always nice. I love it. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm on high alert. I'm probably not going to be riding too fast for a while, because between just the random potholes in the road that I've seen after the storm, and like, I don't know, seeing all these trees down, just like it puts me in, you know, alert mode. So I mean, I'm riding safe and everything, but just I don't know, kind of spooks me, I guess, seeing that stuff. One of these days, I want to do that road. I always love this view, especially with the clouds touching the top of the mountain there. There's the trail back to there. I'm gonna have to go check it out sometime. All right, back home.